Hi, it's Kurt with Milwaukee Tool. I'm up here at Acme Tools in Grand Forks, North Dakota, and today I'm really excited to show you guys our new wet-dry vacuum system, and more importantly, our air tip trade focus accessories. So getting into this vacuum, we have three different tanks. We have a 6, 9, and 12 gallon tank. We have two different carts that they can come with, as well as a removable accessory bag. This vacuum is going to have a peak performance at 3.5 horsepower, and it's going to have 47 minutes runtime. Included in this launch, we have three different heads. We have a 1 battery system, we have a dual battery system, and then we have an AC system as well. So along with this vacuum, I'm more excited about these air tip trade focus accessories. Some of them are going to be completely new to world with flexible heads and crevice tools, but also with this launch, we're going to have just the standard vacuum accessory attachments. Both of these are going to be compatible with any wet dry vacuum on the market. I'd first like to start with the vacuum tool storage bag with 5 awesome features that we're going to show you. Here we have the vacuum tool storage bag. It's going to have 5 awesome features. A tear-resistant ballistic material. It's going to have durable mounting hooks that's going to go onto each of the 3 new Milwaukee wet dry vacuums. It has all metal zippers and hardware. It's going to have top and bottom storage. And then it's also going to have adjustable dividers. Here we have our long reach flexible micro hose set. It's going to have 5 different hoses in this kit for long reach into those very tight spaces. We're going to have a 1/4 inch, 3/8, a longer 3/8, a small 1/2 inch, and then a nice flexible long 5/8, and then the adapter piece that's going to fit on all of these hoses. Here we have our pivoting extension wand air tip accessory. It's going to be able to move 90 degrees in each direction and lock in place. Here we have our flexible long reach crevice tool, an air tip accessory. It's going to have flexible rubber shaft to bend into hard reach places. Here we have our magnetic utility nozzles. It's going to have a dual magnet in the front and one in the back. They're both coated in zinc to prevent rust, and this is for catching metal hardware. We have our 2.5 inch model here, and then we have our universal model right here. Here we have our 3-in-1 crevice and brush tool. You're going to have your standard tip in the front here. These are going to be able to slide forward to pick your brushes. We're going to have the soft and long brushes right here. You go ahead and flip it, and you're going to have your short and stiff brushes. Here we have our claw utility nozzle with brushes and air tip accessory. These brushes will agitate debris for easy pickup. Here we have our conduit line pulling kit, a Milwaukee air tip accessory. These are designed for electricians to seal multiple conduit sizes for stronger line pulling suction. This comes with a 1/2 inch to 1 inch. We have a 1 1/4 to 1/2 inch and a 2 to 4 inch conduit tip. Here we have the dust collector, an air tip accessory. This rubber gasket will seal to the wall and maintain suction for less cleanup, while the dust will collect in the collector. Here we have our low profile pivoting brush tool, an air tip accessory. This head will rotate 360 degrees. Also, these will rotate 90 degrees and lock into place for low to reach places, also for high to reach places. Here we have our rocking utility nozzle with brushes, an air tip accessory. The rocking design will prevent the tool from sucking to the surface. We have our universal size right here. Then we have our 2.5 inch size right here. Here we have our cross brush tool, an air tip accessory. This cross design will prevent brushes from pushing the debris away. Here we have our rotating corner brush tool. This corner-shaped tip is easier for deep corner cleaning. It also features a rotating head as well. Here we have the swiveling palm brush, an air tip accessory. This head will rotate 360 degrees. This kit will come with this bag, and in here you're going to have a short and stiff brushes. You're going to have long and soft brushes. And then you're also going to have a rubber brush. Here we have our non-marring utility nozzle kit. These are going to have non-marring edges to protect surfaces from scratches and marks. Here we have the utility nozzle, and then we have the crevice tool. Here we have our 4-in-1 right angle cleaning tool, an air tip accessory, featuring a right angle design for the hard to reach places. It's going to come with a short crevice tip, an open bottom tip, a brushed tip, and then a long crevice tip. And all of these fit right onto the end here. Here we have our 2-in-1 utility brush tool. This head can slide if you need brushes for easy debris removal. Here we have our M12 air tip utility nozzle. It's compatible with any M12 battery. It's going to feature a suction valve for easy use on carpet. This battery is going to power the brushes on the bottom, and it's going to feature an LED light. Also, it has a tool-free brush removal. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions on our air tip accessories or our new vacuum launch, please visit acmetools.com or any of our 10 locations. And always remember, do your best work.